We are going to steam pork ribs today. First of all, these are the ingredients. Pork ribs, 1 plate full. And the ingredients are 2 tablespoons of minced bean paste, a tablespoon of chili, a few pieces of cut ginger, and 1 teaspoon of garlic. The cooking oil, a little bit of sugar, and Heinz white vinegar. Okay, first we on the stove, heat up the non-stick pan. Pour in some oil. We put in the ginger. Then we mix the garlic together with the bean paste and chili. Add into the pan now. You stir fry it until it's fragrant. We pour it back into the little dish. We put a bit of vinegar. Mix it up. Add a bit of sugar. Two and a little bit teaspoon of sugar. Add another 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. To make sure that the balance of sweet and sour is okay. It must be sweetish and sourish, and saltish as well. Now we pour it onto the pork ribs. We mix it well. We put in 1 teaspoon of corn flour to thicken the mixture. Add a little bit of water. Okay. This side, the water is already boiling in the steamer. Now we put it in the steamer. And we use another plate to cover it so that no moisture or water from the steamer goes into the steamed pork ribs. Okay. After steaming for 20 minutes, the pork ribs will be ready. This is the steamed pork ribs after 30 minutes of steaming. It's ready to be served. It's best served hot. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.